y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready to install a wig. I just have my cap on and I've sprayed my GOT2B on here. So now we're ready to cut this cap, and I'm actually gonna be doing a closure wig. So I need to cut this a little bit smaller than normal because I really don't need the sides, because all I need is the middle part, because I'm gonna be wearing a middle part because it's a closure. So I cut this. Go to work. Y'all, there's this playlist on Tidal. I got Tidal. I'm a Tidal girl. I don't use Apple Music. I use Tidal, and it's a 90s playlist. And y'all, the playlist is so bomb. I'm about to turn it on. I'll be jamming to that playlist. And the playlist was curated by them. Like, I just searched it one day, like 90s playlist, and it popped up. And they did they thing. So don't wanna cut my real hair. Cut this off back. Now I look mad crazy. And I usually like to go in over this with the GOT2B glued, but let me get my playlist. 90s R&B. Oh yeah, that's what it was, R&B. Okay. What's going on? I found it. So it wasn't 90s, it was the 2000s R&B love songs. I did the main spot here, smoothed it down real good. Now I'm just gonna let it dry. So this wig is from Donmily Hair. It is a 4x4 closure. As I said, that's why I only did the part right here. Make sure it's good because it is a closure. And this is what the hair looks like. Straight hair. I'm not sure on the length. I will put it somewhere in the video, but yes. And the hair is 150% density. So I already went ahead and tightened up the little elastic piece here. Not elastic? Yeah. And I'm about to go ahead and put this on. And it has a very nice fit. Like, honestly, I really don't even gotta glue it down, because I usually tack it down with my GOT2B. But I don't know, I might not do it today. So today we going glueless. We going GOT2B-less. Now I definitely need some laying, because as y'all can see, the back looking real lumpy. So I'm about to fix that. This install finna be quick since we finna skip the tack down method. But I think I'll curl the hair because it's looking real just, you know, blah. This length is probably like 16 inches too. It's not real long. It's a real natural length. Y'all know me, I usually have the inches. So to lay this back down, I'm about to put some mousse on it.
Young and never seen before. I say yeah. Don't worry about it. Just 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Now I'm closer. Girl, there's something about it that you got my attention. You're making me want to see you. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. I can be in your heart.
As y'all can see, that mousse is already making it lay a lot flatter. Now I just need the mousse to dry up so I can go ahead and style the hair, curl it. So right now it's looking a little, you know what I'm saying? Gotta spice it up, put some cute curls in it. And sometimes I even pluck my part, but this part looks pretty good. This was a part already set by the company. I didn't make the part, it was already there. But as I said, I want to let this dry up. So I'm about to go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'll come back and finish styling. Put some curls in this hair. But as y'all can see, this is a super easy, quick install. I didn't even use my normal GOT2B method. I just put this wig on glueless, gelless, any type of tacking down, none. Just popped it on. So far it's coming together good. Okay, I just want to hear Beyonce right now. Just around you is a blessing. That'll be alright. So I just finished doing my makeup, and now I'm about to go ahead and curl this hair up real quick. Like I said, it's not too long, so it shouldn't take me long to curl it. I'm gonna just put some quick little curls in it. You must be my sister, so you must be my sister. So I don't want the curls to be too perfect or nothing. So I think this is pretty good. And when I curl my hair with a flat iron, I always do one side better than the other one. So we're finna see which side look better. Hopefully I can get it pretty uniform, but it always usually happens where one side look better than the other one. What you do? Take off your shoes. This side look better. And I am pretty much done. I don't usually use hairspray that much, but when I do, the Garnier Fructis, the bomb. So make your curl last a little bit longer. So to complete my look, I need some earrings. I mean, I got the little studs on, but y'all know I need my hoops. Y'all, I can't believe how easy this install was. Mad easy to install. And it looks so cute. Such a nice natural length. Didn't have to tack it down. I could take it off instantly. Hey, 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 hey. Shout out to Donmily, because as y'all know, or if y'all don't know, I usually do frontals. This is a closure, and I usually do like 22 inch, and this is probably like 18, 16. And I like it. So definitely make sure y'all check out the description box. I'm gonna have all the links to this wig and more links of Donmily Hair. That is pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Help your girl out. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Click that button below and join the team. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel, period. And yeah, with all that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.